Yo ninjas and Kaio, welcome to this new tutorial about the 2000. This time my bro Bestia is gonna teach you this move, because I'm not very good at it. This is a power move that requires much practice. It doesn't need so much explanation, but very much practice. It's not like an air flare where you need to focus on so many details. In this move you just need to focus on few important things, but then you need to drill it a lot. If you will need more help for your power moves or your breaking in general, check out my Patreon, link in the description. Here you can also find exclusive videos that I don't publish here on YouTube. And if you want, check out my merch, also link in the description.
Hi guys, I'm Bestia and today we'll teach you the 2000. First of all, you need to master the handstand and the power move start. Then you need to master the spinning handstand. So you start with the power move start and at the end of the movement you get the handstand position. Once you get the handstand, you should try to use your legs to get the rotation. Try to always keep your back straight and don't bend your knees. And don't bend your elbows. If you don't have any gloves, try to spin in this area, here, and move away your fingers from the floor. Once you're about to spin, try to straighten your body, like this. Ooh. Try to don't put the second arm too far from the first one, like this. At the beginning, just try to make a wide movement like this. When you're about to spin, just make your legs straight. Just make your...
Wait!
At the beginning, you should try to learn the drill technique, that is this one. If you want to control the spin and your rounds, you should try to use a different technique. There are two techniques that you can use. This one is the first one, like this, or like this. It might help you to move your head inward, like this. As any other moves, you just need to practice them daily, if possible. Thanks for watching, make sure to follow me on my Instagram, bestia_arts, and see you next time.
So remember, first of all, practice the drill and close your legs very fast. Second, practice another leg technique to have more power and more speed. You can practice with the frog or squat leg shape, or if you want, you can practice with the Egyptian leg shape, as you prefer. And also with your head, you can watch your hands like this, or you can watch inwards like this. Doesn't really matter, it's up to you to decide how you do it. What is very important for this move is the consistency. It's just to practice it a lot. Master the drill, and when you can do 2 rounds or 3 rounds, or maybe even more, just go on with the Egyptian leg shape or with the squat leg shape. Thanks again to my bro Bestia, make sure to follow his Instagram, link in the description, and see you next time with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!
Yuri!